Hello you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I think is day 6. I just uploaded day 5. I think that sounds right. I am desperately needing to clean up the house. It is literally a disaster right now. My goal is to get everything cleaned up and tidy, and you're gonna be here with me. I'm gonna start off and just do separate rooms and get it as clean as freaking possible. I just don't feel comfortable in a space if it's not cleaned up and organized, and I'm feeling anxious. I'm feeling stressed, so we're gonna clean it up the best that we can. So I'm gonna start off with the rooms that we spend our most time in. First off is gonna be the kitchen, living room, bedroom, and then so on. Let's start off and get the kitchen cleaned up. Also, if you're new here, my name is Lauren and I'm a YouTuber here in the Dallas, Texas area. I make a ton of vlogs, travel videos, things like that, and I'm doing Vlogmas for the first time ever. So it would mean so much if you guys could subscribe to my channel, join all the fun, and I have a playlist of all the Vlogmas videos so you can catch up over on my channel. As you can see, I'm starting off here with the kitchen. The dishes, I swear, are never ending because we eat at home so much. I'm pretty sure we do a full load of dishes every single day. Something that I love most about our Dyson is the different head nozzles you can use for it. I use this smaller vacuum one for counters. It's super helpful getting up all of the crumbs. The cleaner that I use to wipe down the counters is from Trader Joe's. It's really not my favorite, but I'm trying to use it up before I go and buy a new one. I found this super cute coffee holder from a vintage market. We like to keep it filled to the brim always. Right now we've been buying the Dunkin' Donuts ground coffee, and I make sure to refill it about every week. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste has been a lifesaver when it comes to getting those tricky spots. I'll use it with a toothbrush and get in those super hard to reach places. I bought it at Walmart for like $6, and this tub has lasted me so long. All right, I think the kitchen is clean. I've never spent so long on this kitchen before. Thought about doing mopping, but it's really not that bad. So I just like spot cleaned a couple of places. But now we're moving on to the living room because it's a hot mess. I have been avoiding the living room because our couch needs to be like fluffed every week. It desperately needs to be vacuumed. I am constantly having to pick up Sugar's toys throughout the day. We keep them in this woven basket from Target, but because it's so much taller than she is, we're constantly having to knock it over so she can have access to her toys. While I fold laundry and try to catch up on watching other shows and vlogmases that I haven't had time to watch yet, it usually makes folding go by faster and a little less painful. Okay, we are now in the bedroom. This bedroom, I feel like I clean it every day. I make the bed almost every day and it just, nothing changes. It just gets messy because we use it so much. There's just a lot going on. There's a lot of filth and just grossness going on. If you're new here and you're like, Lauren, those chairs are so ugly, girl, I know. I understand they are. I hate looking at them. They were gonna be like an at-home project. I was planning on sanding them down and reupholstering them, and I just like was over it. I was like, I'm not gonna finish this. We completely sanded that one down, and then we've done half of that one. And then I was like looking for an upholster place, and it was gonna be like almost $1,000, and I was like, I think I'd just rather buy new chairs at that point. And I'm just gonna buy new chairs eventually and like toss them or something. I'm going to make the bed, and then I have a buttload of laundry to fold. So let's get after it. So when Cody and I were getting our tree from the attic, I found this tree that's like super old. That was from my grandparents when they lived here. It's like an aluminum tree, aluminum something tree. Anyway, we put it together, but there wasn't a tree stand for the bottom of it, and it's literally just been sitting in the corner of the room, like propped up. So I don't know what to do with it yet. I've looked online, like makeshift tree stands. I don't know, I might just end up taking it all apart and like throwing it back in the box. But I just thought it was so cute. It's from like the early 1960s. My dad said that he remembers it from when he was a kid, and then put it up for decoration, but so cute. I've been using this OxiClean White Revive, and so far I really do love it. Our towels have been looking a little dull, so I feel like this has really brought them back to life.